Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the DigitalBlackmagic channel. My name is Christoph and today I'm going to show you how to backup a laptop computer without starting Windows. The software I'm going to use to do that is called Acronis. After installing Windows 10 on the Samsung laptop, I want to create a backup to be able to restore this new factory default. There are several options on how to get to that goal. My choice is Acronis TrueImage. You can use TrueImage without starting Windows because it has a kind of a rescue disk which boots the computer in a special mode that lets you restore or backup the data. I have booted the computer in the rescue disks mode. In the home screen, you can choose to backup or recover your data. Obviously, we want to backup the data, so that is what I choose. Now I can choose from two options. One is data backup, which means files, personal folders, something like that. Or the other option would be to backup partitions or disks. Since I want to backup all the system, that is what I'm going to choose. After that, the next dialog contains all the partitions of the disk in the laptop. They are all pre-selected, so all what's left to do is to click continue. Now the question is, do you want to add the data to an existing backup or do you want to create a new one? Since it's an initial backup and we don't have anything else, I select new archive. Now I select browse to choose where to put the backup. I select the external hard disk. The disk already contains the initial backup of the Windows 7 installation. I name it Samsung Win 10 as a reference to the Windows 10 installation. Leaving the dialog has Samsung Win 10 pre-selected, which leaves me to click on Next. This brings up a summary of my selected actions and I click Proceed. All presets are done. Now the software is going to proceed with creating the backup archive. After some time, it will come up with backup complete, and that is what I want to see. Finally, the backup is done after some time. Now you can restart the computer and continue working with it. The benefit is you have an initial backup of a Windows 10 installation on the machine. Here is where I want to end my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and have a nice day.